Hey guys, so it's been kind of a busy day, but I wanted to give an intro before this video got started, so here I am. But the video is me doing my makeup upside down. I'm hanging off my couch. It seemed like a fun idea, turns out to be a disaster. Like, I wasn't wearing my contacts and obviously not my glasses, so I couldn't really see, and my makeup's not blended very well at all, and I don't realize it in the video until I watched it back to edit it. So that's fun, but it's a pretty funny video. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to this channel. I'm doing a giveaway once I reach 100 subscribers, so look out for that. And yeah, like this video, comment down below, give me suggestions, any feedback, just say hi, whatever. Follow me on social media, those will be linked down below. And I guess we'll get started. Oh, this is gonna be a disaster. Oh no. So my husband's playing a video game. I'm kind of bored and figured, why not see how terrible my makeup turns out when I do it upside down? So I'm hanging upside down on my couch right now. I'm gonna be taking breaks during this because there's no way I'm staying upside down the entire time I'm doing this. But we'll see how bad this turns out. If you hear my husband in the background, yeah. This is gonna be the challenging part. Start with some primer. God. I'm sure I look beautiful at this angle. I can feel all the veins in my face. It's gross. Apparently someone on the game with my husband is really funny. Oh God. I don't even think this foundation matches me anymore. It may just be because my face is red. And I feel like I keep sliding. Let me scoot up a little. Okay. I looked up to see if anyone else had ever done this video, and the only person I have seen that has done it is glam&gore. I mean, there might be others, but I didn't see them when I searched. But I was sitting there thinking one night, I was like, what's something weird that would be kind of fun to do? And then I was like, I wonder how hard it would be to put my makeup on upside down. And that's what happened here. It's so weird. If you... I almost knocked my mirror over. If you are not subscribed to this channel, you should subscribe. Plan on doing more fun videos like this. Aha. I'm also going to try to see exactly how fast I can do my makeup. This is kind of difficult. And I'm knocking everything over.
Yeah, how do you mark it?
I forgot what I was doing for a minute. Oh God. Alright, I'm fine. I just poked myself in the eye. So far, this is turning out great. I also have my nice little nose lines from my glasses because I've been wearing my glasses for the last few days. I'm not even going to... What the... But I'm not even going to set my face because as soon as I get done with this, I am getting in the shower because it is bedtime. I'm able to do this because my kids are asleep. I'm getting primer all over my eyelashes. That's just great. Oh, God. Eyebrows. This is gonna be very difficult. Wrong end.
Oh, behind us. No, I didn't see him.
I feel like I'm moving through this so quick right now.
Oh, there they are.
This is so hard. That doesn't go down there. Oh, God. It's also really hard to talk when you're upside down. The easiest thing to do yet. I'm so nervous about eyes. This is gonna be fun. I gotta move my mirror a little closer. Super bad idea. This is really hard.
Ooh, ooh. Incoming. Ooh, hey. Right there. Yeah, I just marked one too.
I don't know what I'm doing. Like I said, I'm taking a shower after this. It's turning out great. I used to sit on my couch like this when I was younger and just see how long I could stand sitting like this. So weird.
Yeah.
I just know eyeliner is gonna be so fun.
Yeah, I don't see him either. Oh, there's one.
I can tell you that's horrible. Just horrible. Oh God. Okay.
Ooh, top of church, top of church.
I'm gonna take a short break and then I will come back and finish the rest of my face. Alright. Contour.
Did I leave? Yeah, me too. Yeah, it kicked me out.
This is hard. Really hard. My husband's staring at me like I'm crazy. Nice vein sticking out of my forehead. Nope. Sure, that's terrible. Okay.
No, Poppy, no.
Blush.
It puts the lotion on the skin.
Alright. Highlight. Now lipstick.
No, you're getting spaghettios and meatballs.
Alright. Now, I guess I'm gonna flip right side up and we'll take a look at this. Alright, so I guess we're gonna take a look at this. Okay, so it did not turn out as bad as I thought. The eyes are pretty bad. I mean, I think that's primer around my eyes everywhere. I don't know.
I don't know, I'm far from them.
But, I mean, contour over here. There's some issues. But it did not turn out as bad as I thought. So, I mean,
Oh shit, maybe not.
it was hard.
They hit me.
It was really hard. But it was fun. And I'm sorry for all the background noise. Yeah. So, if you like this video, I hope you subscribe.
Yeah.
Bye.